How to delete your video search history on Prime Video. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to delete your search history on Prime Video. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, straight into it. So first, of course, open up the Prime Video app on your mobile device. Next, tap on the My Stuff button in the bottom right hand corner. Then tap on the gear icon in the top right hand corner to take you to settings. Then about halfway down you'll see clear video search history. So if you tap on that, you'll see my search history has now been cleared. And that's all it takes to clear your video search history. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.